So this is the first Evoke Workshop in the UK in one of our first clinics, Lisa Franklin's, and it was absolutely brilliant.
So as the first user of the Evoke here in the UK, this is a complete game changer. We are very privileged to have seen firsthand phenomenal results so far with this incredible device. Case studies I am absolutely blown away by. Ultimately, anyone that's particularly got loss of elasticity, that is looking for that sort of contouring, that also doesn't want to go under the knife. This is an absolutely exceptional treatment to consider, and that includes men and women, all sort of face shapes and sizes, so whether it's that kind of loss of elasticity within the skin or whether that's actually really just improving that sort of density. It really works for everyone, and that's why we are really excited to be working with this.
I just finished the workshop with Evoke. Thank you very much InMode for inviting me. I love the fact that this is completely non-invasive machine with minimal downtime, and I'm looking forward to use it myself and offer it to my clients.